As you settle into this space, allow yourself to arrive, not performing, not striving, not trying to get anything right. Simply be here. Simply be you. Find a comfortable seat. Let your spine lift gently, your shoulders soften, and your breath begin to slow. Let your hands rest softly on your lap or over your heart. Feel the support beneath you. Before we begin, I want to remind you that meditation is simply focusing your attention with intention. I learned this from a soul called Joe. It is a practice found throughout Scripture. Be still and know that I am God. I choose to anchor my meditation guidance in biblical truth, using Scripture to ground us, guide us, and keep our hearts centered on God. Take a slow breath in and a long breath out. Let your whole body begin to soften. Place one hand over your heart and one hand on your belly. We're going to inhale deeply for 4, hold gently for 2, and exhale slowly for 6. We'll follow this rhythm together. Let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Now allow your breath to return to a natural, peaceful flow. Bring gentle awareness to your lower body, your legs, your knees, your feet. If you notice any tightness, heaviness, or discomfort here, this can sometimes be the body's way of holding emotional weight, especially when we've been hesitant or uncertain about moving forward. You don't need to analyze it. You don't need to fix it. Simply notice and breathe. With each exhale, imagine that weight softening, releasing downward into the ground beneath you. Silently remind yourself it is okay to move forward. I am safe. I can let the past go. God goes before me. As you breathe, allow God's truth to settle into the quiet places of your heart. Do not be conformed to the patterns or the behavior of this world, but let God make you into a new person by changing the way that you think. Be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Romans 12:2. Feel God gently reshaping any thoughts that have limited you, freeing you from the pressure to fit into this world's expectations, renewing your mind with clarity, peace, direction, and strength. Now breathe in these words. You created my innermost being. You knit me together in my mother's womb. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Psalms 139, 13 through 14. Let the truth sink in. Keep breathing. You are created with intention, with precision, and with love. Let God's presence whisper, "You are mine, daughter. I formed you. I know you, and I delight in you." And now, for we are God's masterpiece. Ephesians 2:10. See yourself as God sees you, a one-of-a-kind creation, uniquely shaped for purpose. And finally, you are a chosen people, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, God's special possession. 1 Peter 2:9. Let these words wrap around you like a warm light and hug. Imagine you are standing in a peaceful open field at sunrise. The light is golden, soft, and welcoming. The air feels clean and new. Ahead of you is a gentle path. Your path, crafted by God. And there is Jesus standing at the beginning of the path. He looks at you with such deep affection, knowing you fully and loving you completely and unconditionally. He extends his hand out towards you, and he invites you to walk with him. As you take steps with him, allow yourself to release old identities you've outgrown, the weight of comparison, the pressure to be anything other than who God designed you to be. Mistakes or perceived failures, other people's limitations as well as your own. You can release these as you walk with Jesus. Behind you, the old fades. Ahead, God speaks to you, and he says, forget the former things. Do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing. That's Isaiah 43:18-19. As you breathe, feel the promise of newness. Feel the strength to move forward. Even without all the answers, you don't have to rush. You don't have to be forced. Just gently guided. Place a hand on your heart. Silently speak. May I walk confidently in who God created me to be. May I release what is not mine and embrace what is. May I feel God's love surrounding me. May I rest knowing God delights in me. Now think of someone you love. And give them the same blessing. May you walk confidently in who God created you to be. May God strengthen and guide you. May you feel deeply known and deeply loved. Now imagine your community, your family, and your future. May we all rise into the identity God has written for us. May God's newness flow through our lives. May we walk as chosen, loved, and called. Take a slow breath in and a long, peaceful breath out. Feel your body supported. Feel your heart settled. Feel your spirit grounded. You are not who the world says you are or should be. You are who God says you are. And that identity is unshakable. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this space, this energy, and this time with me. I'm Fatima from Fatima B Speaks on YouTube. I help high achievers, especially high achieving women, break burnout and perfectionism cycles and restore peace, ease, and purpose via my wellness workshops, yoga, and meditation. Download the Soft Rebirth, my free 5-day grace-filled reset to soften self-criticism, release self-doubt, and come home to your truest self. This is your invitation to my community, where I share wellness offerings rooted in rest, renewal, and embodied wisdom. May you move through your day with gentleness, ease, and unconditional permission to simply be.